Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this session, basically we are going to talk about how to use recursion in C Sharp, right? So basically, recursion is a programming technique where a function calls itself to solve a specific problem. It is useful for tasks that can be broken down into smaller, similar subtasks. So to get a clear picture about the recursion in C Sharp, let's we directly move towards the development environment. I am using Visual Studio 2022 edition, and it is just a simple console application. Now here I will define a function, and this function inside the function body it will again call the same function. So to get a clear picture, let's me define the function first, and then you will understand what about I am saying. Now the function name will be countdown, and let's me pass a parameter to this function. The parameter name, let's suppose, is a number, and here let's me put a condition, and if number is less than or equal to 0, then I will print to the console like okay, and I will just return from the function. Okay, but if number is not less than or equal to 0, then I will print to the console the number, and after printing the number to the console I will just call this function within the function. Know the function name, and here I will call like number minus 1. Let's see the actual result, because it is basically the recursive case. You can see that our function name is countdown, and I am calling again the same function inside the function. So it is the recursion, I think, best example. Now I have to call the function from here. Let me copy the function name, uh, calling the function, and I will pass here a random number like 5. Now put here a debugger, and I will also put here a debugger. Now let's me run the application. Step 4, and here if I call the function, the execution will come inside the function. Here you can see that the number is 5, and this condition will not meet. That is why the code execution will not go inside the if block, and here the number will be printed to the console. You can see 5 is printed, and no, instead to come outside of the main function, the function will call itself again. Just step over, you can see that the debugger at this line hit it again because I am calling the same function within the function. Now here the number is 4. uh, it checks the condition is not met, it's print the number 4 to the console, and no, it will again call the function. No, the number is 3. Let's we check the condition, it's false. Console.writeline, it's print 3 to the console because the number value is 3 at this time. Now it will decrement by 1 again, the number value will become 2, and let's we check the condition, it prints 2 and decrement by 1. No, the number becomes 1. Again it will print the number to the console, you can see here. No, it is the final step. No, the number becomes 0. Now here in the if condition, you can see that this condition will become true because the number is equal to 0. The execution will go inside the if block. You can see that the OK will be printed inside the console, and we will return back from the main countdown. We go outside of the function and you can see their determination completed. Okay. Now, in this way, we can, call a function within a function with the same name. So if you want to just make some kind of recursive calls, you can use like in this way. There are lots of other examples. Now, let me copy a ready-made code, and I have just to paste here so that and you can understand one another example. No, let's me remove the public keyword, and here inside this function, it is the function name is sum. It taking again the number, and here we have the same condition. But if the condition is true, it will return 0. But if condition is not true, it will sum the number to the output of the sum. I mean this function. Let me sum change the function name a little so that you get a clear picture about this sum. Okay. Now I will put here also a debugger. Let's me run the application. Step next, from this line, the execution come inside the sum number. The condition is not true, and here at that line, no, here at this line you can see that the same function will call again at line number 12. Let me step over. You can see that the execution again come at the top of the function because I am calling at this line. So it will check again the condition. You can see that the function is calling itself, and now the condition become false, and here it will come outside of the function. Yes, you can see. So in this way, we can, perform recursion in C sharp. You can use recursion in any other programming language like JavaScript, Java, Python, or any other. So it was the basic about recursion. I thought that you people should be familiar about this because sometimes we have need of recursion Fibonacci series and factorial. And in this type of operation, we calling the same function again and again inside the function. So thank you for watching the video. We'll meet with a new topic in the next lecture. Thank you.